In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your camera shake or sway in Roblox Studio. This is a simple trick that can make your game feel more dynamic and immersive, whether it's for action scene, running, or when the player jumps. By the end of this tutorial, your camera will have that smooth, subtle movement that adds a lot of polish to your game. So the first thing that we are going to do is open Roblox Studio and load the game that you want to work on. And once we are in the game, first make sure to toggle on Explorer and Toolbox. And once you have toggled those on, we are going to be searching camera bobbing in Toolbox. So just go to the Toolbox search bar and search for camera and search for camera bobbing. And just wait for the results to load, and you will see many camera bobbing. So just go with the one that has many uses and good reviews. So I'm just gonna go with this particular one. So I'm just gonna click on it and just click on OK, and you will see the camera bobbing has been successfully added in our Explorer. Now after adding camera bobbing, you might see a text that tells put me in the starter, and the rest of the text is not visible. So I'll show you a simple trick on how to view it. Just right click on it and click on rename. Now you will see it was saying put me in the starter character script. So this is under starter player, I think. So we're just gonna figure it out. So we'll just go to starter player and you will see it was under starter player. So now just click on the camera bobbing and drag and drop it inside the starter character script like so. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and just click on it and the script will open. This is a free model that someone else has created and shared in the Roblox library, so we don't have to code everything from scratch. And you will see we can customize different things. You can customize bubble to the X and you can customize bubble to Y. So first let's just preview it without the bobbing. So I'm just gonna put it in some random place, and now we're just gonna stimulate so to see the difference. And as you can see, there is no camera movements or shakes or bobbing, any type of bobbing when I move around in any direction like so. Now let's go ahead and test it with the bobbing on. So we'll just place the camera bobbing inside the starter character script once again, and now let's try it. And as you can see, now we have added a lot more camera shakes and bobbing like so. You can even increase the camera bobbing. So I'll just go ahead and show you how to do it. Just go to a script and you can increase it from here. Let's say I want to add bubble X to 90, 0.90 and bubble Y to 0.90 like so. And after that, I can just go ahead and test it. And now you can see we have added a lot. So basically just play around with the settings and just find the sweet spot that best fits your game and genre. This simple addition can make a huge difference in how polished your game feels and can be customized to fit your exact style and your gameplay. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.